In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Boost Mobile app login problem. So if you're not being able to log into the Boost Mobile application, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log in. If you're still not being able to log in, the problem might be with the credentials. So make sure you provided the correct credentials. Make sure to enter the correct email address or phone number. After you do that, you'll be prompted to enter the password. If you have forgotten the password, you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. Tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to reset your password. Simply reset the password and enter the correct credentials in the sign in interface. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. Updating the application will fix the bugs. So what you have to do is open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Boost Mobile. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Boost Mobile and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now the bug should be fixed and you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're facing the problem, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Boost Mobile and long press on it. Tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the cache of the application will be cleared and you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're facing the problem, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be solved. But if the problem is with the device itself, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and you should be able to log in to your application. So that is how you fix Boost Mobile app login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.